Hey you guys, I'm the Maha Mechanic, and today we're going to be replacing a AC condenser in this 2006 Honda Civic. Now this will be the same for pretty much any Civic from 2006 to 2011, so yeah. Anyway, let's get to cracking. First thing we're going to want to do is remove this front bumper up here. I mean, it's already halfway off for me, so that'll make it a little bit easier. So yeah, we need to remove this front bumper and this plate up here, plastic cover. So that'll grant us access to the condenser, which is in front of the radiator. So yeah, let's do that now. So you're going to want to start by removing a clip here and a clip here. Well, those weren't on there to begin with. And on the other side, the same one, clip there, and then this is the only one keeping this piece in. So once we remove that clip, we can remove this whole plastic cover. Just like that. These are clips. You want to pry up on the middle part of the clip, not the outside part. You'll break it if you do that. There's a special tool you can use. I'm just using a plastic pry tool. Anyway, now we got that off. You can wiggle this bad boy out here. There you go, set this aside. Once we remove those two Allen keys, then we can remove the front bumper. This whole thing is connected to the bumper, so you can, well, it's supposed to be. So yeah, so the 5mm Allen keys. So there should be a screw like right in here that keeps this on, but this has broken off here, as you can see, so that's not going to go back on. But on this side, there is the screw right there. You can kind of see in that little access hole. You're going to want to remove that screw, and then you can pull this. The rest is just held in by clips on this side. You'll pull that off, and then you have to remove some clips on the bottom, but that's pretty much the only thing holding the bottom. There we go. Now this should just pull off, just like that. Now, I believe the only thing holding on are some clips holding it to the bottom, the belly pan, or not the belly pan, the underside of the car. There's some clips holding it to a cover down there. So I'm going to raise it up to get under there easier, but they should be really close to the front. Alright, so if we come underneath, you can see clip there, clip over there, two clips over there actually, another clip here, clip there, and two more clips over here. That is holding the bumper to this belly pan or skid plate, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, you're just going to remove all the ones that are connecting this black to the blue or the colored part of the car. So remove these ones here, 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 and here. And then we should be able to pull off the front bumper. All right, now that we got all the plastic clips out, the thing should be ready to go. Just like that. Now, as you can see here, it's been bashed in pretty good. See the crash brace here. Yeah, so anyway, this is the condenser. You can see it comes right in front of the radiator. Here's the radiator behind here. And here's here's the condenser. It's a little piece that just goes right in front of it. Yeah, so now we can start removing it. All right, so next you're going to want to vacuum out all of the refrigerant in there. Now, once you've done that, you can remove the mounting bolts for this bad boy. Looks like there's just two on the top. And then we can remove our AC lines going to it. One down there, one right here. That looks like it's about it. And then we should be able to take this thing off. It's off the ground. Even though her bumper is pretty easy to take off. So now that we've got this line over here disconnected and this one down here disconnected, we can remove our condenser. There's also a little bracket holding on this AC line. You can see down there. You can see right where my ratchet's pointing. There's a little bracket that's keeping this AC line connected to the condenser. So I'm just going to remove that. Got that removed from the condenser. Should be able to just move it here. And then shimmy it out. Just like that. Now we can throw this thing out pretty much. You can see. Yeah, it's not supposed to be like that. Now we got that all done. We can start installing our new one. So before you replace this or put it back in, you're going to add 50 milliliters of the oil, which I've got measured out right here. You can see 50 milliliters. You always measure from the bottom of the meniscus. 50 on the dot. We're going to want to angle this kind of down like this and then pour it into this hole so we can fill up this bad boy. Alright, you want to go slow, it'll fill up a little fast, but that is done now. Alright, now we can take this condenser and throw it on the car. But remember to lube up all of your O-rings that you're replacing for these hoses with the oil that they give you. We can put on our lines again. Put this down and pop it in there. There we go. Make sure it's on there nicely. Then you can turn the bolt that you took out. There's that one. Tighten that one down. We're also going to want to tighten down this bracket. That's good. Now it's time to replace the seals on this bottom one down here. I'm going to replace that one yet, so let's do that now. So that's the smallest O-ring I've got. It should work just fine. Nice and snug. Now that we got all our lines back on, we can reattach our mounting screws for right here, and then I move this one out of the way just so I can get it off. But no, right there too. Put them back in. Slide that one up. There we go. Our condenser is reinstalled. All we got to do is reattach all the other crap like the bumper, which shouldn't be too hard. But yeah, that's all we got to do next. So it's just the opposite of the way you took it off. Throw it on. If you found this video informative, please be sure to leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel for more. And remember, no matter your experience or your skill level, keep on improving.